Stop buying hot sauce. In just 1 minute, I'll show you how to make bold, tangy Louisiana hot sauce at home. 200 grams fresh red chili peppers, 1 cup white vinegar, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 cloves garlic, optional, 1/2 teaspoon sugar, optional for balance. Wash your chilies and remove the stems. For milder sauce, remove some seeds. Add chilies, garlic and salt into a blender. Pour in the vinegar, blend until smooth. You'll get a bright red, slightly thick mixture. Pour into a glass jar, cover loosely, and let it ferment at room temperature for 3 to 5 days. This gives that classic Louisiana tang. After fermentation, blend again if needed, then strain for a smoother sauce, or keep it chunky for texture. Pour into a saucepan, bring to a light simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. This deepens flavour and preserves it longer. Cool it down and transfer into a clean bottle. Your homemade Louisiana hot sauce is ready. Try this at home and tell me, do you like it spicy or extra spicy? Don't forget to subscribe for more quick recipes.